transverse common tangents of the circles. Most important problem in the chapter circle. Exercise 1E, third bit, fourth problem. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles. The find the transverse common tangents means the point of intersection of the transverse common tangents of the circle is called the internal center of similitude. The point of intersection of the transverse common tangents of the circles is called the internal center of similitude. So, here first of all find the internal center of similitude of the circles. Internal center of similitude of the circle. So, first of all here we find the center and radii of the given circles. First circle, equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 4 by 2. G is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. G is equal to minus 2. Y coefficient to 2f. 2f is equal to minus 10. F is equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. F is equal to minus 5. Constant to C is equal to 28. C is equal to 28. First of all find the center of the first circle. Center formula minus g comma minus f. C1 is equal to minus g. G is equal to minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 comma minus f. F is equal to minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. This is the center of the first circle. Again find the radius of the first circle. R1 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula for finding the radius of the circle. R1 is equal to g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 5 whole square minus c minus 28 under root. R1 is equal to minus 2 whole square 4 plus 5 square 25 minus 28. R1 is equal to 4 plus 25 29 minus 28. 29 minus 28 1. Root 1 means 1. Therefore R1 is equal to 1. This is the radius of the first circle. This is the center. This is the radius of the first circle. Similarly, we find the center and radius of the second circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to 4. G is equal to 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. G is equal to 2. Y coefficient 2f. 2f is equal to minus 6. F is equal to minus 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. F is equal to minus 3. Constant C is equal to 4. Find the center of the second circle. Center C2 is equal to minus G comma minus F minus G minus 2 comma minus F. F is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus. Center of the second circle is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Again find the radius of the second circle. R2 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R2 is equal to g square 2 square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus c. C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4 under root. R2 is equal to 2 square 4 plus minus 3 whole square 9 minus 4 under root plus 4 minus 4 get cancel. R2 is equal to root 9. R2 is equal to root 9 means 3. This is the radius of the second circle. This is the center. This is the radius of the given second circle. Again find the value C1, C2. C1 is equal to 2 comma 5. C2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3. At C1 x1 y1. C2 x2 y2. C1 C2 is equal to C1 C2 mean the distance between the 2 points. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to x2 minus 2 minus x1 2 whole square y2 3 minus y1 5 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 16 minus 2 whole square plus 4. Therefore, C1 C2 is equal to root 20. C1 C2 is equal to root 20. Check the condition. C1 C2 R1 plus R2. C1 C2 root 20. R1 is equal to 1. R2 is equal to 3. Root 20 1 plus 3 4. Squaring on both sides. 20 4 square means 16. Always 20 is greater than 16. So here C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Here two circles do not touch or intersect. The two circles do not touch or intersect. One circle complete away from the other circle. Here the given two circles do not touch or intersect. one circle complete away from the other circle. This is the first circle. This is the center of the first circle. This is the radius of the first circle. This is the second circle. This is the first circle. C2 is the center. R2 is the radius of the circle. One pair of common tangents intersect the line segment C1 C2 is called the transverse common tangents. One pair of common tangents intersect the line segment C1 C2 is called the transverse common tangent. Transverse common tangent. The point of intersection of the transverse common tangents is called the internal center of similitude. Here P divides the line segment C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. C1 2 comma 5, C2 minus 2 comma 3. R1 is to R2 is equal to M is to N. R1 is equal to 1, R2 is equal to 3. Here internal center of similitude P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here P divides the line segment C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. This is the formula for internal center of similitude. P is equal to M1. This is the center C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2, x2 minus 2 plus n 3, x1 2 by m plus n 1 plus 3, m 1 y2 3 plus n 3 y1 5 by m plus n 1 plus 3. P is equal to 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 2s are 6 by 1 plus 3 4 1 3s are 3 3 5s are 15 by 1 plus 3 4. P is equal to 6 minus 2 4 by 4 comma 18 15 plus 3 18 by 4 4 4 cancel 4 1s are 4 1s are 2 2s are 2 9s are. Internal center of similitude P is equal to 1 comma 9 by 2 1 comma 9 by 2. This is the internal center of similitude 1 comma 9 by 2. This is the internal center of similitude. Again continuous, find the equation of the transverse common tangent. Find the equation of the transverse common tangents. Here two lines are passing through the point P. Passing through the point P. Equation of the line passing through the point P x1 y1. Let m is the slope of the line. Slope of the line. Equation of the straight line passing through the point P of 1 comma 9 by 2 and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Point slope form. Let P point x1 y1, y minus y1 y1 is equal to 9 by 2 is equal to m into x minus x1 1. This is the equation of the transverse common tangents. Here we find the value m. Here we find the value m. If the line touches the circle, then r is equal to d. Here the radius of the second circle is equal to the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Here equating r2 is equal to d. So here first of all we find the d. D means perpendicular distance from center to the line. Here taking LCM 2 into y, 2y minus 9 is equal to m into x minus 1. Cross multiplication taking to right side. 2y minus 9 is equal to 2 into m, 2m into x minus 1. 2y minus 9 is equal to 2m into x, so 2mx minus 2m. Taking 2y minus 9 right side, 2mx minus 2m minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. 2mx minus 2y minus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Here second circle, C2 is the center. C2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3. This is the equation of the line. 2mx minus 2y minus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. If the line touches the circle, then R2 is equal to D. R2 means radius of the second circle. Here R2 is equal to 3. Find the value D. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Let D is the perpendicular distance from center. C2 is equal to minus 2 comma 3 to the line 4 is. D is equal to 2m into x. X equal to minus 2. 2m into minus 2. Minus 2y. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Minus 2m plus 9 mod by x coefficient square 2m square plus y coefficient square minus 2 whole square under root. D is equal to 2 2s are minus 4m, 2 3s are 6 minus 2m plus 9 by under root of 4m square plus 4. D is equal to minus 4m minus 2m minus 6m minus 6 plus 9 plus 3 by 4m square plus 4 under root. Taking common minus 6m minus 3 by under root of 4m square plus 4. Here the line touches the circle, then R2 is equal to D. If the line touches the circle, then R is equal to D. Means radius of the second circle is equal to the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Here R2 is equal to 3. D is equal to 6m minus 3 by under root of 4m square plus 4. 3 is equal to 3 common. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 by under root of 4m square plus 4. 3 1s are 3 cancel 1 is equal to 2m minus 1 by 4m square plus 4. Cross multiplication. Taking root of 4m square plus 4 left side. Square root 4m square plus 4 is equal to 2m minus 1. Squaring on both sides. 4m square plus 4 is equal to 2m minus 1 whole square. 4m square plus 4 is equal to, here using a minus b whole square formula. A square 2m whole square plus b square 1 square minus 2ab. 2 into 2m into 1. 4m square plus 4 is equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 2 2s are 4m. Taking 4m square plus 4 right side. 4m square plus 1 minus 4m minus 4m square minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4m square minus 4m square plus 4m square minus 4m square means 0m square minus 4m minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here case 1. M square coefficient is equal to 0. So m is equal to infinity. M is equal to infinity. M is equal to infinity. Substitute in equation number 3. Y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. Y minus 2, m means infinity into x minus 1. Y minus 2 equal to, infinity means something by 0 into x minus 1. 0 into something, 0 is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the one of the transverse common tangent equation. Second case. Case 2. Minus 4m minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 4m is equal to 3. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. Substitute in equation number 3. Y minus 9 by 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. Y minus 9 by 2 is equal to m minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Here taking LCM 2. 2 into y, 2y minus 9 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Cross multiplication taking 2 left side. 2 into 2y minus 9 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 1. 2 into 2y, 4y minus 2 9s are 18. Minus 3 into x minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Taking minus 3x plus 3 left side. 4y minus 18 plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 18 minus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the second transverse common tangent equation. Therefore, the equation of the transverse common tangents is x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the transverse common tangents of the circles. First one is x minus 1 is equal to 0 and second one is 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the process. Long question, very important question. First of all, here we find the internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude of the given circle. Again, find the equation of the transverse common tangents of the circles. Here two lines are passing through the point P. Let m is the slope of the line. Here we find the m value. Here the line touches the circle, then r is equal to d. R2 is equal to d or R1 is equal to d. Any process, find the value of m and substitute m value in the equation number 3. This is the process for finding the equation of the transverse common tangents of the circles. Most important problem, very important problem. Thank you.